Imagine waking up tomorrow and feeling like you've just hit the jackpot. Your bank account is brimming, and any worries about finances have completely vanished. It sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that there's a way to tap into that millionaire mindset in just 24 hours? No, I'm not talking about winning the lottery or finding a briefcase full of cash. I'm referring to a profound and transformative technique that can fundamentally change your relationship with money overnight. This technique is rooted in the teachings of Neville Goddard, a remarkable spiritual teacher from the mid-20th century who believed that our imagination holds the key to creating our reality. Goddard's insights can empower you to manifest money and abundance rapidly. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity. You can start feeling like a millionaire within just one day. When you alter your internal perception of wealth, you may be astounded by how quickly your external circumstances shift. Now you might be wondering, who is Neville Goddard, and why is he so important? Born in Barbados in 1905, and later moving to the United States, Goddard was a pioneering figure in the spiritual realm. He wasn't just some random individual with wild ideas. He was a thinker ahead of his time. While other spiritual leaders focused on strict rituals and dogmas, Goddard was busy uncovering profound truths about human consciousness and the power of the mind. At the heart of Goddard's teachings is the belief that imagination creates reality. He proposed that the world around us is merely a reflection of our inner thoughts and feelings. While this concept may sound like something out of a New Age book, it's rooted in psychological principles that have been validated by modern science. Goddard didn't just preach these ideas. He showed people how to apply them practically, leading to astonishing transformations in their lives. One of his most powerful concepts is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. In other words, if you desire wealth, start feeling wealthy right now. It may sound straightforward, but there's tremendous power in this mindset shift. Goddard essentially discovered a kind of cheat code for reality, and he generously shared this wisdom with the world. Goddard authored over 10 books and delivered numerous lectures focused on the idea that our imagination shapes our reality. His own life story is a testament to his teachings. He rose from humble beginnings as a poor immigrant to become a respected spiritual authority with a global following. He truly walked the talk. However, Goddard's teachings extend beyond just financial success. They emphasize the incredible power of the human mind. His work encourages individuals to recognize that they possess the ability to shape their reality. It's akin to discovering a superpower you didn't know you had. Understanding who Neville Goddard was and what he taught is crucial to grasping the essence of the one-day millionaire technique we're about to explore. So, what exactly is this technique? It's not just another random manifestation method. It's a deeply rooted practice based on spiritual and psychological insights that have positively impacted countless lives. At its core, the one-day millionaire technique involves immersing yourself in the mindset and experience of being wealthy for an entire day. And if you're looking to supercharge your wealth attraction, check out the 7-second Tesla ritual created by a PhD neuroscientist. This quick and powerful method can help you draw money to you effortlessly. Curious? Click the link in the description below to discover how it works. Now let's dive back into the steps of the one-day millionaire technique. First, we need to explore the concept of imagination. This isn't about mindless daydreaming or fantasizing about winning the lottery. It's about harnessing your imagination as a powerful tool to reshape your reality. Consider this. Your brain functions like a highly sophisticated computer. Interestingly, it often doesn't differentiate between actual experiences and vividly imagined ones. For instance, try this exercise. Close your eyes and vividly imagine biting into a tart, juicy lemon. Picture its texture, taste, and smell. Did your mouth start watering? That's your brain responding to an experience that isn't real. Now, apply this principle to your financial situation. By vividly imagining yourself as wealthy, your brain begins to act as if that reality is true. You're effectively reprogramming your mental landscape to align with the experience of abundance. When you start to feel wealthy internally, you begin to act differently in the world. You might find yourself walking with greater confidence, speaking up more in meetings, or even asking for that raise you deserve. And here's where it gets even more interesting. When you embody that millionaire mindset, opportunities seem to materialize from thin air. It's as though the universe conspires to bring your imagination to life. I know what some of you may be thinking. This sounds similar to what I've heard before. While it may echo some familiar concepts, Goddard's approach is different. He doesn't merely suggest positive thinking. He advocates for a complete immersion in the feeling of your desires being fulfilled. It's not about thinking wealthy thoughts. It's about genuinely feeling rich in your bones and living in your mind as if you've already achieved your financial goals. To illustrate this point, let's consider the story of a man we'll call Mike. Mike was struggling financially, working a minimum wage job and drowning in debt. But he decided to put Goddard's techniques into practice. Every night before bed, Mike would close his eyes and imagine a day in the life of wealthy Mike. He would visualize soft sheets of a luxury bed, savor gourmet breakfasts, and relish the pride of making significant business deals. Initially, his outer reality didn't change much, but Mike persevered with this practice. Gradually, he began to notice subtle shifts in his life. He felt more confident at work and started recognizing opportunities he had previously overlooked. Before long, Mike took the bold step of starting his own business. Fast forward 2 years, and he was making 6 figures. 5 years later, he had transformed into a millionaire. While his imagination set the foundation for this transformation, it was his subsequent actions, hard work, and willingness to take risks that propelled him forward. The key takeaway: imagination can ignite the spark of change in your life. Now let's break down the one-day millionaire technique, a powerful method designed to help you reshape your mindset about money in just 24 hours. This technique isn't about magically making $1 million appear in your bank account overnight. It's about rewiring your brain to attract wealth like a magnet. So, how does this work? In essence, you will live as if you are already a millionaire for a full day. This means embodying the thoughts, feelings, and actions of someone who possesses wealth. It's about fully committing to this experience from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. You may be thinking, isn't this just pretending? How can make-believe help me? That's a valid question. The magic lies in the immersive experience. When you dedicate an entire day to embodying the wealthy mindset, you're offering your subconscious mind a powerful taste of abundance. This immersive experience allows you to upload a new mental program that can shift your beliefs about wealth and financial security. But can one day really make that much of a difference? Think about it. People often have single days that change the course of their lives. It could be the day you fell in love, got your dream job, or welcomed a child into the world. One day has the potential to be transformative. The one-day millionaire technique is about connecting with the wealthy version of yourself that already exists within you. It's about allowing that version of you to come out and play, even if just for one day. The great news is that anyone can do this. You don't need special skills or significant wealth to participate, just your imagination and a commitment to the experience. If you're ready to dive into this technique, let's walk through the step-by-step process of implementing the one-day millionaire technique. Step 1. Preparation. Before you embark on your millionaire day, it's crucial to get clear on what wealth truly means to you. Often, we associate wealth solely with material possessions, expensive cars, lavish vacations, or a hefty bank account. But wealth is much more than that. It's about how you feel on the inside. For some, wealth might mean waking up every day without worrying about bills, while for others, it could signify a sense of freedom, independence, and control over their life's direction. Take time to dig deep into your personal definition of wealth, asking yourself questions like, what would it feel like to be financially secure? What opportunities would open up for you if you no longer had to stress about money? How would your relationships, confidence, and generosity change? The more vividly you can imagine this vision of wealth, the more potent and personal this technique becomes. Try journaling these thoughts, or even creating a vision board, so you have a concrete reference to guide you through your millionaire day. Step 2. Plan your day. Think of your millionaire day like a movie where you are the director, actor, and writer all in one. This is your opportunity to script the most exciting, fulfilling day in the life of the wealthy version of yourself. Start by imagining how your ideal morning would begin. Maybe you wake up in a luxurious bedroom, the kind you've only dreamed of, with soft sunlight streaming in. You indulge in a gourmet breakfast, perfectly cooked eggs, fresh juice, maybe even breakfast served to you in bed. But don't stop there. This day should be both exciting and realistic. Picture yourself managing investments, having empowering conversations with successful people, or perhaps giving back to your community. These activities should not feel completely out of reach, but rather a natural progression of the life you're stepping into. By laying out a detailed schedule, you'll create a roadmap for how the day will unfold, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the experience. The more real and achievable it feels, the more impact it will have on your subconscious. Step 3. Set the scene. While you may not currently live in a mansion, that doesn't mean you can't bring the energy of wealth into your space. This step is all about setting up an environment that encourages a feeling of luxury and abundance. Start by making simple adjustments to your surroundings that elevate your experience. Maybe you dust off those dishes you only use for special occasions and have your meals with them today, reminding yourself that you deserve the best. Consider reorganizing or decluttering your space to make it feel more open and luxurious. Even something as small as adding candles or fresh flowers can make a huge difference in setting the mood. The idea is to infuse your surroundings with an aura of wealth and refinement, without necessarily spending money. This shift in environment is symbolic. It reinforces to your mind and senses that you are stepping into a new reality. Every time you look around, you'll be reminded that you are living your millionaire day, right here, right now. Step 4. Dress the part. The way you dress directly impacts how you feel about yourself, and on your millionaire day, it's crucial that you embody confidence and success from the moment you get out of bed. You don't need to wear a 3-piece suit or ball gown, unless that's your style, but pick an outfit that makes you feel powerful, successful, and unstoppable. Whether it's a perfectly tailored blazer, your favorite shoes, or even an accessory that boosts your confidence, choose pieces that align with the version of yourself who is already wealthy. This is less about looking like a millionaire to others, and more about how you feel wearing it. When you look in the mirror, you should see someone who is ready to conquer the world. This step is all about embracing the persona of someone who has already achieved financial freedom. And when you dress the part, you start to act and feel like that person naturally. It's a simple yet powerful way to reinforce the mindset of abundance throughout the day. Step 5. Adopt the mindset. This step is where the true transformation begins, because wealth is as much a mindset as it is a financial state. For the entire day, you'll need to think, feel, and act like a wealthy person. This doesn't just mean throwing money around, but embodying the confidence, ease, and assurance that come from knowing you have enough and more. Wealthy individuals typically make decisions from a place of abundance, where opportunities are limitless, rather than from a mindset of scarcity, where there's never enough. This shift in thinking is crucial. As you go about your day, ask yourself, what would the wealthy version of me do in this situation? For example, if you're faced with a choice or a challenge, instead of worrying about cost or limitations, approach it from a standpoint of possibility and growth. Carry yourself with quiet confidence, knowing that you deserve success and prosperity. It's not about flaunting your wealth, but about feeling internally secure, capable, and deserving of every opportunity that comes your way. This mental shift, when sustained, has the power to align your actions with your goals, helping you move closer to the financial freedom you seek. Step 6. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for cultivating a wealthy mindset. While it may seem counterintuitive, wealthy individuals often focus not on what they lack, but on appreciating what they already have. Throughout your millionaire day, take conscious moments to reflect on the abundance in your life, whether it's the comfort of your home, the food on your plate, or the supportive relationships around you. By doing this, you shift your focus from scarcity to abundance, which naturally draws even more blessings into your life. Gratitude also helps you stay grounded. When you are genuinely thankful for what you have, no matter how big or small, you create space for even greater things to come. Consider keeping a gratitude journal throughout the day, writing down 3 to 5 things you appreciate in the moment. This practice will help you cultivate a mindset where you acknowledge the abundance that already exists, reinforcing the belief that wealth and prosperity are not just possible, they are already present in your life. Step 7. Be generous. Generosity is often associated with abundance, and for good reason. Many wealthy individuals understand that giving is not about depleting your resources, but about reinforcing the belief that you have more than enough. On your millionaire day, look for opportunities to share your wealth, whether it's through your time, resources, or acts of kindness. You don't need to make grand gestures. Small acts of generosity can be just as powerful. Perhaps you leave a larger tip for your barista, offer to help a friend without expecting anything in return, or donate to a cause you believe in. The act of giving not only helps others, but also strengthens your own sense of abundance. When you give freely, you are telling yourself and the universe that you trust in your ability to attract more. This creates a positive feedback loop. The more generous you are, the more abundance flows into your life. Generosity also helps you step into the mindset of someone who has achieved wealth, not just financially, but in all areas of life. Step 8. Visualize. As you progress through your millionaire day, take moments to visualize yourself living a wealthy life in the long term. Visualization is a key technique used by successful people across all fields, from athletes to business leaders. It helps to program your subconscious mind to believe that what you want is not only possible, but already on its way to you. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in different scenarios that reflect your wealthy future. Making significant business deals, traveling to exotic destinations, investing in projects that light you up, or contributing to causes that matter to you. Picture every detail vividly: what you're wearing, how you feel, the surroundings, and the people you're interacting with. The more immersive your visualization, the more powerful the effect. This exercise not only enhances your belief in your future success, but also gives your subconscious mind clear directions to follow. By consistently picturing yourself as wealthy, you align your thoughts, actions, and habits with that reality, drawing it closer with each day. As you navigate this day, you may encounter moments of doubt. A little voice in your head might whisper, "Who do you think you are?" When that happens, acknowledge those thoughts, but gently redirect your focus back to your wealthy mindset. Remember, this is an experiment, an opportunity to explore a new way of being. You may wonder, what if I have responsibilities or work commitments? That's perfectly okay. This technique isn't about completely transforming your external reality. It's about cultivating how you feel internally. If you have to go to your regular job, do so as if you're a millionaire who enjoys their work out of passion, not necessity. Ultimately, the one-day millionaire technique is about recognizing that true wealth is not just a matter of dollars and cents. It's about embracing a life of abundance, generosity, and purpose. By immersing yourself in this experience for just one day, you can set in motion the wheels of change that will impact your financial reality. So, are you ready to step into the shoes of a millionaire, even if just for a day? I encourage you to give this technique a try and witness the transformation in your mindset and outlook on wealth. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial abundance starts within you. Until next time, stay wealthy in mind and spirit.